Have you ever read a story where you had to look for clues and solve a mystery? Today, we're going to use one of my books called The Case of Grandma Everett's Missing Biscuits. And while we read, I'm going to teach you 4 super reading strategies that great readers use. Before we even open a book, good readers make predictions. Let's look at the title, The Case of Grandma Everett's Missing Biscuits. It says case and missing. That tells me this is probably a mystery. And look at the picture. I see clues. I predict someone took the biscuits. I predict the kids will try to solve the mystery. Good readers also ask questions before, during, and after reading. Before we read, I'm wondering, who took the biscuits? Why did they take them? Will the mystery be solved? When we ask questions, our brains stay focused and curious. Now it's time to be reading detectives. The story doesn't just tell us who took the biscuits. We have to infer. To infer means we use our schema, which is what we already know, plus clues from the story. The story tells us that Grandma was upset when she noticed the biscuits she had set aside were gone. The pictures show the kids looking all around for Grandpa Everett, and Aunt Ruby is clearly shown in the basement doing laundry. Using these clues, what do you infer? Good readers also stop and ask, does this make sense? Do I understand what I just read? If I'm confused, I can. Reread, look at the pictures, look for clues again. Let's review our reading detective tools. Make predictions, ask questions, infer using text evidence, and check your understanding. If you want to read the full story and solve the mystery yourself, you can find my book, The Case of Grandma Everett's Missing Biscuits on Amazon. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep reading. And remember, keep learning and growing.